Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Very respected and very honorable SM Tanveer Saab, Patron-in-Chief UBG. Respected presidents, honorable diplomats, respected members of the executive committee, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I take this opportunity to warmly welcome Mr. SM Tanveer Saab. SM Tanveer Saab, मैं दिल की गहराइयों से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. आपकी प्रेजेंस हमारे लिए बहुत इज़्ज़त अफजाई है. I also warmly welcome distinguished presidents of the chambers who have come all the way from all across Pakistan to participate in the All Pakistan Chambers Presidents Conference. I would like to extend my gratitude to Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and especially the President Ahsan Bakhtarvi for organizing this important event, and Mr. Zafar Bakhtarvi, person behind the curtain, focusing on reforming Pakistan's economy for economic revival. As you all are aware, that our country is faced with a number of challenges for its economic revival. It is therefore imperative for the government to formulate business-friendly policies to steer the country on the road of economic progress. Therefore, Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry has organized this conference to give suggestions to the government on the behalf of the entire business community of Pakistan on the key areas. Ladies and gentlemen, our collective aim is very clear. It is to develop an economy that is inclusive and sustainable. In order to achieve this goal, it requires us to propose needed reforms for the attention of the policy makers of economic revival. Since the business community plays a very vital role in the development of the country, therefore the government must create an ecosystem which must be supported by the business and development and sustainable progress. This conference will provide a unique platform to share ideas and give recommendations for the developing strategies that will drive our economy forward. By working together, we can bring our country out of the current economic turmoil, because together we will and together we can. Words of our Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure that our discussion tomorrow will be useful, and at the end we shall be able to draw good recommendations for the attention of policymakers. It is important that the government should simplify the regulatory frameworks, enhancing transparency and reducing bureaucratic hurdles are essential steps in this direction. Government must give respect to the business community. Government must give respect to the business community and develop policies with our mutual consultations, with long-term consistent policies which will ultimately bring the desired results in terms of economic prosperity and sustainable development of the country. I urge all of you to actively take part in discussions. Share your views, business revival. Let us seize this opportunity to make a lasting impact on Pakistan's economic future. I once again is highly obliged with the presence of SM Tanveer Saab. Thank you all. Pakistan Zindabad.